आप डरते तो नहीं हो ना मुझसे? First Gen Z ever who's coming on my vlog. Almost there. What do you think? Guys, please support our coffee shop.
So I get the white foam on top, but I can't get the shape.
You want this croissant or this croissant? It's kantha work. Before going anywhere, we always do tikka. और बेस्ट तो ये बेस्ट है ये वाला just hold this is my favorite this activates everything
yeah and plus the downward dog kiya to must go you can be there for 10 minutes or
my ribs here they got activated completely like it was so only gym
both needed
gymming is needed it's extremely important it's amazing
Downward
we all are
dog
yoga
is
students here but we're also talking about how gym is important so hear it like live because gym is important right
Very important.
yeah. I like to get my edits done in the morning because it is more peaceful, there are lesser disturbances. And I just function better on a Sunday morning when I know that I have got my work done because I post every Sunday, try to at least. My family was coming over for brunch. I just love adding real flowers in my dining area. It brings in so much positivity and a good vibe to the whole space. I had removed all the crockery and these plates and platters that were needed at night itself. So in the mornings I don't have to rush to remove everything and get it cleaned. The plates, the coasters, the lids, the serving spoons, like the main things. Of course there are small things here and there which you remove on the spot. And of course these pretty mats that I'm going to put, my mom had gifted them to me and they're just so pretty. Also what we started doing is we started using these reusable Shifley napkins so that we don't use a lot of tissue. You can reuse them, wash them and it also looks pretty nice. Don't you think? Or Saroj bhai hai idhar. Without him, hosting or anything is not possible. He helps me clean, he helps me make up my room. He's going to put like bed covers on my bed sheet and he's going to do everything.
भाभी परफेक्ट पूरा चाहिए
आप डरते तो नहीं हो ना मुझसे?
नहीं
खुशी से करते हो?
Hold the picture, I'll pose, I'll look in the camera.
No, what video she's posted, you are just like
There, existing.
Then you have to tell them.
yeah, exactly.
Naisha, what's your drink?
I purely need a
Iced coffee. Support your local coffee shop. Guys, please support our coffee shop.
So ideally, when you steam milk, then it should look like milk. Now this is-
Okay.
That's how they make. I've not learned how to make the art yet, but
Okay.
I'm learning. Oh, you will make the heart and everything.
No, he's learning that. He's learning to make the heart.
Slowly तो अपने आप हो जाता है.
No, you have to. It's a skill these people have mastered.
I think by in
Practice.
6 months you'll be done.
Should be.
Yeah.
Now my hands are a little unstable, so I get the white foam on top, but I can't get the shape.
You'll get there, Anak.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah.
worry.
Yeah,
We
you'll get
support
Thanks,
you.
Appreciate.
So the European coffee is getting ready.
Croissant or this croissant? Here you go. Butter
Thank
croissant
you.
with your coffee. Since I feel that why don't I have tea or coffee or why I haven't developed because I cannot join people and feel the happiness that they are feeling and always come home again for coffee definitely very soon. And first Gen Z ever who's coming on my vlog. Ronald, why did you enter when I said that? You are like So I'm not a party person, but this is one of the nights where we're going for a friend's birthday and I have worn this black dress, a classic bag dress, and I'll show you the bag that I'm taking. This is my favorite bag that I'm wearing on this black dress. And I'm not a makeup person either, but today is one of the days where we're going out. The first time my husband is going to come in the vlog willingly and let's see his OOTD. We're ready to go. That was just for a second.
More than enough.
He's saying it's more than enough. Let's see who is taller, me or Ronak. Ronak is 6, so come here, Ronak. Let's see. I think I'm gonna look taller than you. Okay, almost there. Come inside. Almost there. What do you think?
I think I'm balding too fast. Chalo,
What tangent have you gone on? Today I just had a thought that why do people always choose between gym, yoga or cardio? Like they have to choose a personality. For example, I know somebody who swears by yoga and looks down upon weightlifting or strength training. Resistance training all mean the same thing. And then I know somebody who swears by running and probably will strength train but will not resort to yoga for alignment, for flexibility, for opening up his body. He or she will think that maybe it's not needed. We don't have to choose. You don't have to choose one out of the three. You have to try to incorporate all of them. Of course, you can have your favorite. Probably you give more time to strength training or you give more time to yoga. But you have to balance it, is what I feel, because all three are equally important, not dependent, and a must in everybody's routine. Chhatri. Parking is so cramped up in our building. It's unbelievable. People end up doing shrugs with their shoulder workout, but actually it's a part of your back workout. People have just named it as shoulder raises or shoulder, shrugs. I had planned to do back and bicep, but I don't feel like working on my bicep today, so I'm just going to do back. So again, there are some days where you might have planned something but it does not go as per your plan, so it's better to do something than nothing. So push yourself before you completely remove the agenda for the day. I've not been quite well today. I was supposed to go for my scuba diving course, pool training, which was at NSCI, but I was feeling very feverish and my body was not allowing me to go for it. And also I have a trip coming up tomorrow. I'm going to Madikeri, which is in the south of India, and it is monsoon season out there, so just need to recover quickly and just packing my bag. I love collecting cute pouches, and when I'm traveling I like having my things in different pouches. So something for my adapter, something for my skincare, something for my makeup, something for just my daily essentials. It just feels handy and I honestly love collecting it. So this one is very interesting. This is one of my favorite brands. It's called Akiko. It's inspired from Japanese minimalism and Japanese concept of simple designs and neutral colors. And this one's also very pretty. It's Jaipuri Sangani print and it's Kantha. So if I just show you, it's Kantha work. I got it as a gift from like a wedding favor. Pretty cute. I'm someone who loves beige and white, so if you see, a lot of my wardrobe will have shades of beige, shades of white, shades of brown. See, most of it will have those shades. Before going anywhere, we always do Tika, so it's a part of good blessings.
Yeah.
Let's go. We always end up at the airport early because of my husband's anxiety. So even if it's a 9 a.m. flight, he will wake up at 5 o'clock. He wants to reach the airport early, over early every time, and I've just understood that this is a part of my life. We're waiting for our friends. They've made this new self-check-in counters. This feels like I am abroad. T2 is kind of upgrading their game slowly. This looks pretty cool. Bless you. How do you feel always coming to the airport? Why do you always give one-word answers? I don't understand. Mini-sized travel perfumes. What a game changer. This diary is made from handmade paper. It's my best friend's brand called Papermint, and I love jotting down my goals or to-dos or just some things that I really want to do, over a period of time or in 2 months. From the landscape, you can tell that we reached Madikeri. Wait for the next vlog to see what we did and where we stayed. Bye!